Today I'm going to share my story with you. So what happened when I'm in 10th standard, my teacher asked me that what is my aim in life. At that time I don't have any clue about aim. What is this aim all about? So what happened? I went back to my house. I asked my dad that, "Father, what is this aim? Can you explain me?" Then he explained me each and everything about aim. What is this aim? Why aim is important to us? And then I understood it very well. So next day, when the teacher asked me the same question, then I answered confidently that I want to be an engineer in future. And now, at present, I am a mechanical engineer. And to be precise, I am a design engineer. So my motive to share this story with you that whatever you want to achieve in your life, you have to set a goal for that and then achieve. You have to take action for that. You have to define your life yourself. No one is going to define your life for you. Okay. So good afternoon everyone. I'm Ankit. Again I'm here with my new topic. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So today's topic is define life yourself. Your life is a journey and it's all up to you that how mesmerizing you can make your journey, how beautiful you can make, how rememberable you can make, so that even after your death you can imagine yourself. As like that, you decorate your house so that it looks beautiful, it looks awesome, and it please your eyes, so that you will be comfortable while staying at your home. Your life is just like a ship and you are the captain of that ship. You have to give the direction to your life, to your ship, so that it will be in the right direction, it will be in the right path. But what if you don't do that? Your ship will crash and your life will be slaughtered. There is no use of your life then. If you born poor, then it is not your fault, but if you die poor, then it's your fault. You have to do hard work for change your fate. No one is going to change your life. No one is going to transform your life for you. It's you and only you have to take that action, have to take that decision to change your life, to transform your life, because you and only you have the right to change your life. So always think about it, that who will be going to change my life? It's me and only me. If I talk about myself, what are my goals in my life? I have couple of goals in my life. The first is I want to be one of the highest taxpayer in this country and want to buy 100 crore rupee for my family. And I am sure I can do that. I will definitely do that because I take action according to that. Because just setting the goal is not enough. You have to take action according to that as well. You have to take decision according to that. Because you all know, man is the creator of his own destiny. So before sleep, you have to think about it, that how can I achieve my goal? How can I achieve my desired goal? What I have to take the decision? What other things I need to do? What I need to improve in myself so that I can achieve something extraordinary in my life? It's all up to you that in the path of your journey, whether there will be roses or spikes, it's all up to you. Your life will become beautiful if you want to, and your life become hell if you want to. The choice is yours, only yours. Not mine, not others, just yours. So never think that someone come from outside and change your life. No, never gonna happen that. It's you, and it's you only who will change your life. Because when you change your life, the first person benefited by that changed life is you. After that, the others. Once you start changing your life, you will see gradually coming to your goals, coming near to the goals. So always think about change and think about good changes, not bad changes. Because you have to define your life for yourself. You have to live life for yourself, not for others. No. आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी अपने लिए जीनी है, किसी और के लिए नहीं. So you have to take decision according to that. And guys, please tell me your goals, plan of action for your future in the comment box. And my humble request to all of you that please make comments on my video so that your feedbacks will inspire me and tell my mistakes as well. Thank you.